Hey, it's Dave here with Creation Crate. We just sent out an update yesterday talking about our STEM.org approval for both of our kits that we send out, our subscription boxes, and our new Ultimate Maker Kit Classroom Edition. And we have some really cool news to share with you. First of all, if you've been following our Indiegogo campaign, you will know that we have a makerspace out of Illinois that ordered 10 of these kits already. They are outfitting their makerspace so that they can teach the people that come there electronics and coding. They were actually already using these boxes, so when they found that we had the new Ultimate Maker Kit, they just jumped right on it. So that has been great. But we have brand new news. We have a high school, our first high school classroom out of Tioga, North Dakota, of all places. We have actually partnered with Enel Green Power. Enel Green Power has, they do solar farms, they do wind farms, they do all kinds of green energy projects all over the country, and they are looking for some really cool projects to give back to their community. So they are actually sponsoring 20 of these kits to outfit an entire high school classroom so they can learn electronics and coding. It's really exciting news. Again, if you know any educators, if you know people that are doing homeschooling, homeschool groups, librarians, makerspaces that would like to have a kit that they can use to teach in their makerspace or their classroom all of these really cool Creation Crate projects, please forward this on to them. Let them know that we have some really good deals right now on our introductory box. And again, this is our prototype. We've got a much cooler box, and we've got some really cool things that we're adding to this. So just please let people know. We really thank you for supporting us. We thank you so much that it has been such a great year in 2017, and we're expecting much bigger and more awesome things that we'll be sharing with you all throughout 2018. Stay tuned.